Hey everyone, welcome back to Vex TCG. Today I'm unboxing one of our newest collectibles we just got. So it is the Maison Kitsune Line Friends. So a limited edition in like a Hermes Charizard orange. We have two sets of this. So I am going to unbox one of our open. So we got two, but one of them ended up just being it was a display set. So it was just on display, and there was only like two sets left for the Line Friends. So I believe you can still get them online later today, but you can see it is super cute. So Julia is letting me open this first. Let's see how it's like. I don't think it comes with all this additional wrapping, but I think they did this because they wanted it as a display. So let's see how it looks. I think this set we are going to use. We're both big coffee drinkers and tea drinkers, so I think it's good we get a product that we both are going to use. There we go, it's a card inside. Line Friends, the world's trendiest character, is joining forces with the multifaceted Paris meets Tokyo fashion house and lifestyle brand Maison Kitsune. Cool. There's Brown, the signature character. And we're using this really cool Snoopy chew time that we got from all the point accumulation at 7-Eleven from drinks. And then the second one. There we go. I think this is a good shape. This is like the really old school Fire King sort of cups. Also made in Korea, and I think this is the original character. It's done in the Line Friends sort of style, and that, I mean, their brand normally highlights their signature fox. So cool thing about the cups also is they are stackable. So yeah, I think that's handy when you put it on the coffee display or on top of the coffee machine. I think that's pretty dope. We also got two more things. We got the t-shirt, and it is done by the brand. That's pretty cool. That's Julia's one that she wanted. And then I got a really similar one where they're just facing the front. Yeah. Okay. I thought I would do this video because it was the first day of release, and I guess some people would want to see what it was like and what they were getting. I honestly think the box is really good. I know on the website it's around 30 euros. I think we paid in store around 40 euros. It was around, 1400 NTD. So thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe for more collectible videos. Appreciate all the support.